Quid. Say hi. Okay. Alright, so I made another video detagging my 2005 Mean Streak, and I took the tag off of here, put this guy on. You can check my other videos if you want to see how I took the tag off the other side. Came out nice. You can see here, no glue, nice and smooth to the touch. Very nice. So one of the things I did when I got this bike was I wanted to change the headlight, and big ugly 7-inch headlight with a nice LED halogen, whatever you call it, I don't know. So I got this one from Amazon, and this is also one of the ones you would get with if you're looking for replacements for the Jeep. Same size. So I'll show you what I did to keep it. You can see it's very sturdy. It actually has been through an accident. You see a little cut there. I had to replace the bezel because that was all bent in, rusted and damaged, just like this here. You gotta take these 2 screws off. There's one on each side. And then there's also a lip. I want to get my screwdriver. Hey, Quinn. So a lip on the inside should be right here, just left, facing the bike, just left of center. So I'll let you guys see me take it off here. I'm going to set the camera up over here. Do not lose this little piece here. I lost 2 of them already. $8 on eBay. Okay. Alright. Just gotta finagle this guy off. There you go, he came right off. Simple connection. There's also these extra plugs here. They go for the signal lights. You just plug right in. I haven't done the signal lights, but you guys are probably smarter than me. You can do it. Now the pain in the ass with this thing was these 2 side screws here. They go right into the housing, which is great, but with this setup there's nothing to go on this headlight for these screws, so I just screwed one in real tight to the top, and I put some double stick tape on the inside to keep the light straight. You can see some daylight there. You know, it's not perfect, but it is what it is. That's it. But the light's very secure. It actually made it through an accident and didn't move. I didn't find any videos on YouTube for doing this, and I saw a lot of people saying in Amazon comments, customer reviews, that it was jiggling around, didn't work. But if you just secure it with that screw there, even if you get the bottom one here, which I did before the accident, it stays pretty tight. So yeah, after you had this connected, put this screw in, make sure that that lip catches. You want to make sure you get your screws in tight, and you'll be fine. I'm going to screw mine up again. No, it's not lined up perfect. Okay. You want to screw one all the way. Just do it so it's a little tight. Make sure you got this one lined up. There we go, nice and snug. That's tight. Check the other side. That's it. Now I'll turn it on for you so you can see the light. Straighten out. Whoops, we went for a trip there, sorry. Alright. Beam. There's a high beam. Like I said, this also has signal lights here on the side. Signal lights there and there, but you gotta hook up the wires. I haven't done that yet, so anyway, good luck.